How to change your settings to only contacts can call me in Google Meet. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Google Meet app in our mobile phone. If you don't have that app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I will simply click on Google Meet app. Now here you guys will see on top left corner three lines. So I will simply click on these three lines. Here you guys will see privacy in Meet settings health feedback. So I will simply click on settings. Now it will say general history notification blocked user. So I will simply click on general. Now here it will say send more diagnostic info, limit data usage, leave empty calls, only contacts can call me. So we will simply turn on only contacts can call me. Once I on it, only my contacts will be call me or the people that I know on Google Meets. Thanks for watching.